Hey there, here are your top news stories from eWEEK. Today's topics include Apple working to fix an iPhone 10 cold weather display glitch, a Google study blaming phishing as being the cause of most account takeovers, HPE unveiling blockchain as a service for enterprises, and the SwiftKey keyboard app adding customizable features. Some owners of iPhone 10 smartphones are complaining on Reddit and other social media sites that their new devices are not always responding to screen touches in cold weather. The issue was first noted on November 8th by Reddit user Doris214, who claimed his iPhone 10 screen quickly becomes unresponsive when going outdoors from a warm indoor location. A November 9th story by The Loop reported that Apple has confirmed the problem for some iPhone 10 users and is working on a fix to be released as a part of an upcoming software update. A September 21st Apple Product Support Advisory explains that iPhones, iPads, and iPods can change their behavior to regulate their temperatures. Apple iOS devices should be used when ambient temperatures are between 32 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid the device unexpectedly turning off or the shortening of battery life, according to Apple. Google released last week a year-long study conducted by University of California, Berkeley researchers, citing the vast majority of account takeovers are caused by phishing attacks rather than third-party data breaches. Between March 2016 and March 2017, the researchers examined leaked credentials from three sources: passwords and usernames exposed in third-party data breaches, credentials obtained via phishing kits, and those obtained via keyloggers. People who hand over their usernames and passwords to phishers are 400 times more likely to be hijacked compared to a random Google user, the study found. In contrast, third-party breach and keylogger victims were only 10 and 20 times more likely to have their accounts taken over, respectively. This discrepancy exists because phishing kits often steal more than just a username and password, such as phone numbers and geolocation data, increasing the chances of a successful account break-in. Following IBM's, Microsoft's, and Oracle's moves into the fast-growing blockchain infrastructure IT arena, Hewlett-Packard Enterprises on November 10th revealed the beta release of mission-critical distributed ledger technology, which enables customers to run distributed ledger workloads on the highest availability enterprise platforms. HPE claims that enterprises evaluating blockchain solutions are finding that generic infrastructure in public cloud environments cannot support the needs of most enterprises in terms of performance, security, scalability, and resiliency. Thus, HPE's mission-critical DLT offers availability and fault protection for enterprise-grade applications, as well as scalability and SQL integration. Mission-critical DLT is offered on HPE Integrity Nonstop platforms, which process 2/3 of all credit card transactions in the world. SwiftKey, the on-screen keyboard app for Android and iOS that translates thumb swipes into complete words, now has more customization options. The app learns from a person's texting, email, and Twitter habits to improve the prediction engine for its over 250 million users. Android users can now configure their keys to display or omit borders, characters, and symbols. Meanwhile, iOS users can select the color of their keys when they are pressed. Both versions also now feature photo themes, allowing users to select their own photos as a background image. To get the ball rolling, SwiftKey partnered with distinguished nature photographer Keith Ledzinski to offer professional quality background images. SwiftKey stated, "Keith has taken pictures on all 7 continents, and his work has been featured in National Geographic, Discovery Channel, and more." Keith curated a selection of 12 of his shots in an exclusive gallery for SwiftKey users. Thanks for watching. Follow the links on this page to learn more about the stories mentioned in this broadcast, and check back every weekday for another daily tech briefing from eWEEK.com.